Welcome to episode 68 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor, here to explore the foundations of data and AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
Let's jump right in. Where do NLP models live? Well, today's episode is all about Hugging Face, the platform and community where natural language processing models come to life.
Hugging Face is kind of like the home base for NLP models. It's where companies, researchers, and hobbyists get access to powerful language tools without starting from scratch.
Exactly. So let's unpack what Hugging Face really is. At its core, Hugging Face is an open-source hub for sharing and using machine learning models, and it's especially well known for transformer models in natural language processing, or NLP. These NLP models allow machines to understand, generate, and translate human language.
When you say transformer models, that's the tech behind recent advances like chatbots, language translation apps, and even tools that can summarize documents. For businesses, having easy access to these models means they can quickly add language understanding to their products.
Let's take a step back and look at the history of transformers, since Hugging Face's rise is closely tied to them. Transformers were introduced in 2017 with the paper Attention is All You Need. Before that, NLP often used sequential models like RNNs or LSTMs, which had limitations in handling long sentences or documents.
Right, and these old models struggled with context. For example, if a customer service chatbot couldn't properly connect the beginning of a conversation to the end, the experience felt clunky. Transformers changed that by focusing on attention mechanisms that allow models to weigh different parts of a sentence or paragraph more effectively.
The attention mechanism is a neat concept. Imagine reading a paragraph, and when you come upon an ambiguous word, you glance back and forth between other words to understand the meaning. The transformer does something similar mathematically. It decides which parts of the input to focus on when making predictions.
That's probably why so many industries quickly adopted transformer-based NLP models. For example, in healthcare, companies use them to analyze clinical notes or research papers, extracting meaningful insights or spotting medical terms automatically.
Hugging Face created a platform that's friendly and accessible. It's not just for machine learning engineers or researchers. It offers pre-trained models, a model hub, and tools like the Transformers library that let developers download and customize models with a few lines of code.
I've seen this firsthand with clients in finance. A bank wanted to automatically sift through thousands of customer emails to detect urgent complaints or fraud signals. Using Hugging Face's sentiment analysis models, they could prioritize responses efficiently, cutting down manual review times drastically.
That example highlights the huge time and cost savings. Instead of building a language model from scratch, a company can fine-tune a pre-existing transformer model on their own data, adapting it to specific terminology or customer language.
And the community aspect is huge too. Hugging Face isn't just a repository, it's a bustling hub where people share models, data sets, and even tutorials. This accelerates innovation because companies don't have to reinvent the wheel. They can build on top of work done by others.
Hugging Face also fosters reproducibility. In academic research, it can be difficult to replicate advanced NLP results due to complex code and massive data needs. Their platform standardizes model sharing, which means that researchers and practitioners can experiment and improve upon existing models more easily.
Let's not forget the user-friendly APIs and demo tools. Even non-experts can try out cutting-edge NLP models via Hugging Face's website, translating text, analyzing sentiment, summarizing content, all from their browser.
This ease of access also encourages transparency. Since models are open and visible, people can better understand what the AI is doing, which is vital for trust and ethical AI use.
From a business leader's perspective, having this transparency and control is key. Imagine a retailer using a sentiment model on product reviews. If the model is open source, they can inspect it for biases or accuracy issues, rather than blindly trusting a black box vendor.
Hugging Face also supports multiple languages.
Unlike earlier NLP tools that mostly focused on English, many models on Hugging Face cover dozens of languages, making AI tools more globally inclusive.
That's a major advantage for companies operating internationally. Say a car manufacturer wants to analyze customer feedback from Germany, Japan, and Brazil all at once. Transformers from Hugging Face can handle those languages without cocky translation errors.
Now, it's worth mentioning Hugging Face is more than just NLP. Their platform is expanding into areas like computer vision and speech, but NLP is where they led and gained their massive community.
Absolutely. In my consulting projects, I've recommended Hugging Face especially for NLP initiatives because it dramatically lowers the barrier for adoption. No need for huge data science teams with specialized transformer expertise right away.
To summarize the tech side, Hugging Face is the friendly home for transformers, the latest transformer-based NLP models enabling machines to understand language with more nuance and context than before.
And on the business side, it's a practical toolkit that puts powerful language AI at a company's fingertips, helping automate tasks, improve customer experiences, and unlock insights from text data.
Key takeaway time. For me, Hugging Face embodies how open collaboration and easy-to-use tools can propel AI's reach far beyond academic labs.
And I'd add that for any company looking to integrate NLP, Hugging Face is the go-to resource, cutting costs, speeding up deployment, and broadening possibilities.
Next episode, we'll shift gears and talk about skitlearn, one of the most popular tools for classical machine learning.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. Feel free to leave comments or questions too. We might feature your thoughts in upcoming episodes. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.